Hey everyone, it is Kim. Welcome back. It's been a while since I've made a video about some of my trades, and I got a couple requests for some more videos, so I wanted to review some trades. One of the things that I want to talk about today is a question that a subscriber actually submitted on YouTube, and he asked, why don't you show losses? And while losses aren't, necessarily fun, they do occur, and I do take them. If you follow me on Twitter at PriceActionKim, you will know that I take losses all the time. So today I'm going to talk about taking losses and actually show you some losses and how I handled those. If you're not familiar with us, I just want to remind you that that's me on the left, Kim, and I run the New York trade planning session and the webinars weekly, and Kevin Hunt on the right-hand side of your screen runs our London trade planning session. All right, so you have coverage in both sessions. It's easy for me to say. You have coverage in both sessions, and you can attend all of those sessions or only attend London if that works for you, depending on where you live in the world. Or you can attend my session, or you can attend both of them. It's up to you. It's all included in your membership. So you get to choose and you get to decide which sessions you want to attend. All right, so I want to talk about first this euro dollar. This is what you're looking on the left-hand side of your screen here. And this was on the interest rate main refinancing rate day. So this was a red news trade here that I took, the first trade. So trade number one was a red news trade, and I had a protective stop. You can maybe see the little red dash line in here. So price accelerated up and then hit my protective stop on the way down and took me out for plus 25 pips. The next trade after this happened, we now had a range on this pair, and I bought the break right up here. You can see I bought this break right here where this white line is, and that trade was almost instantaneously stopped out for -8. And then using a set of re-entry rules, I re-entered this trade here long where this blue arrow is, and this also was stopped out for -8. Now what was happening next was the markets started moving gangbusters, and we'll see this on the euro yen when I get to that trade. Trade number 4 was also what we call a re-entry trade. Remember, I took a profitable trade. I tried a range breakout trade, and my protective stop was, or not my protective stop, but my full stop was hit. I tried a re-entry RBO trade, and that also was hit for -8. And then I tried my third re-entry using our re-entry rules, and this one I punched out for plus 39. You can see I had a protective stop here, but I didn't want price to come back so far on me. And all of that was a net of plus 48 pips on the euro. All right, so again, 2 losses, 1 gain, 2 gains, and a net of 48. So losses do happen. Here's the next one, the euro yen. This one also news trade right here. My protective stop, you can see the red hash mark was set. And this one also, I was taken out for plus 25. And this one also, the price action came back inside and became a range. And then I bought the break right here on the break of this high right here. And this trade moved up gangbusters and actually hit my target up at 73. And this trade was a total of 98 pips. It was a big trade, the second trade, and the first trade was a great trade. All right. All that to say that if you don't have a plan in place to re-enter the market, or you just, I don't know, try to figure out your stops based on some voodoo science or some lines of support and resistance, that's great, but it gets really confusing when you have fast moving markets. We give you a very specific trade plan, and our trades have stops that are predetermined. So we know that if we trade the euro, we use an 8 pip stop. It doesn't matter where that stop comes in. We just use 8 pips, period. On the euro yen, we use a 10 pip stop. All right. So without a plan, you're just kind of shooting in the wind. All right. And if you have any questions, go ahead and email me at info@priceactiontradersinstitute.com. You can follow me on Twitter to see us trade live. Kevin and I both trade live. And I'm at Price Action Kim. And of course, our website is priceactiontradersinstitute.com. I want to thank you for listening. And if you're not a subscriber, please press the red button at the bottom of your screen and subscribe to my videos. I really appreciate you taking the time to listen and also to subscribe. And if you have a comment, please feel free to put a comment in the video. I try to answer all of them. All right. Thank you and have a great day.